between Spot and Scott. And we used to have a
Well, wait
Spot.
a second.
This one's me?
That one's... Oh, you...
Man, it smells so basil-like over here.
Oh, you think.
There's Patty. Say hi, Chuck. Hi. Hi, Candy. Hi, Taco.
This one?
That one is mom's. It's... Look! I got a manly sweater. I got a manly sweater.
No, he says I want a toy. I want food. Food. I want food.
No, but you got a sweater, so we're going to put the sweater on you first, and then you can have food. We need scissors.
That's what you get. That's it.
Sorry. Santa's sleigh was full this year.
Same thing. The same thing.
No, don't like them.
Pretty finicky
Oh, well.
for a dog that ate rabbits and
Yeah.
squirrels.
Grabs his book. I'll put it down.
Hide it somewhere.
Yeah.
You find it buried under your sofa.
Like Catherine used to hide vitamins. Or was that you?
That's me.
Oh, what a cute sweater. And Alfie looks so manly in it. Yay! Good boy.
Well, it's a little small.
It's a little small. It's a vest.
Just me or is it warm in here?
It's very warm.
Did you turn it down, Patty?
Yeah, and then you can take the sweater off for Alfred.
Here's for Taco. Taco.
Taco, come on. Come on, Taco.
Uh-oh. I know somebody's going to steal this away from you.
Oh,
Here, Taco.